Hi, my name is Marcel, I'm Swiss, and I was here working as a volunteer for about 1 week now, and it was a great experience. You should do it also. You can work here with a lot of different animals like orangutans here behind me, with beautiful birds or other primates like gibbons or macaques. Then there are crocodiles, turtles, the kasuari, a beautiful colorful bird. And so, what was his name?
This is Bonnie.
Bonnie. Stop it. Yeah, you see, we have fun here and everyone is very kind. The animal keepers let you work with them, but you can, if you don't want to do anything, you can just watch and you get really close to wild animals. And also the rest of the staff is very kind. You get everything what you need here, a good accommodation with aircon, really important here, and plenty of good food. I really enjoyed it as well. So, and you go to the near village as well, you're teaching English, so you have close contact to the people who live here and you can help here the animals, so come do this also. That's a really good thing to support and I can absolutely recommend it. I had a great time.